Actually, no, I'm so wrong. Stacy, where's my moisturizer? Thank you. It's Sadie's Sassy Salon, and we go with the flow. Hi, and welcome to Sadie's Sassy Salon. And today, I'm going to show you what's in my makeup bag. I go in with this Neutrogena moisturizer to make sure that my face is not going to get clogged up from the foundation, because foundation clogs up your pores unless you get some type of foundation that doesn't clog up your pores. I go in with my Fit Me foundation and with the 235 number. I'm going to show you what type of brow stuff that I use. I use this Anastasia Dip Brow. This Dip Brow works very well for my brows, as you can tell. And I use that in the color of chocolate. My Anastasia Contour Palette. This contour palette is usually $50, but I got it for $20. What a steal, I know. Then I have my Morphe palette. And I got all of these voluminous colors, because I know Stacy ain't using this because I am one lucky bee. So, guess what? I got this for Christmas. What a steal, I didn't have to buy it. e.l.f. highlighter, because it's pretty cheap, and I don't know if it works pretty well, but I use it anyway. I use this highlighter, it's pretty good. I'm using it right now, as you can tell. I know you can tell very clearly. So I have this fat brush for blush, because it's a fat brush. And then I have this highlighter brush. I have my eyebrow brush. It's for the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, you know, makes the eyes better. It sparkles, because in Sadie's Sassy Salon, we like to sparkle. Brush, and it's for concealer. Concealer, you conceal, so you conceal all your pimples, because ladies, I know you don't like pimples. And next, I have my Urban Decay setting spray, and I use this on my face to make sure it all sets throughout the day, and this is all-nighter, so this will probably last you all night. You're gonna spray your face. You're one. Sorry about that. And you're one misty queen, because in Sadie's Sassy Salon, we like to be misty. Next, I got some Vaseline for my lips to make them look luscious and look like I licked it a few times, but it makes it look like it's not chapped. This Tarte lipstick, and this Tarte lipstick is kind of a nude color. I don't really like to use it often because it kind of matches my skin tone, and then my lips would just blend. And in Sadie's Sassy Salon, we don't blend our lips with our skin. But anyways, I think that kind of wraps up what I have in my makeup bag, because you can see I really don't have a lot of makeup. You know what? To be a pretty girl, you don't need all this makeup, right? Amen. We do not need all of this makeup, because in Sadie's Sassy Salon, we don't need a bunch of makeup to conceal who we are as a person. You can put all of this makeup on our face just to make people think that we are pretty. We are pretty inside and out, and we do not need all of this makeup. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a huge, huge thumbs up to all the ladies out there who do not need makeup, and for the ladies who like to wear makeup, because we love wearing makeup, but it doesn't mean that we have to cover who we are with makeup. We can wear it just for fun, because I like wearing makeup for fun. And until then, guys, bye, bye, bye.